What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I want to remove this panel right here. This is underneath the passenger side. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, or you could try to push down on these tabs. Those lock tabs. It's just easier to use a screwdriver. Oops. And just like that. And then it slides out. There's a little pin right there. We're gonna disconnect the resistor connector right here. Just push this little tab right there and pull the connector down. Now I'm gonna take these two screws out right here. I'm gonna use a Phillips head screwdriver. These are holding the resistor to the airbox. Pull that one out. And then there's one right here. Pull that one out, grab the resistor and slide it up. So this blower motor, it's different which way you install this. There's a more of a triangle side on this side, and then this side is a little bit different. It's angled on that side. So the triangle side goes towards the middle like an arrow. Just like that. Take the screw. Get this screw started. And we'll get the other screw started. Take a Phillips head screwdriver and we'll tighten these screws up. Just snug that, and then same with this side. Snug that up. Take the connector, plug the resistor back in. Reinstall this lower cover. Just slide this pin through that hole right there and line these two retainers through the slots. Lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.